My name is Kugonza Moses. I work with conservation to Coexist. These communities that are neighboring Kibale National Park has encountered a challenge or a problem of crop raiding, whereby these animals from the park comes to destroy people's garden. With the help from ASP grant, I was able to do some surveys among this community. Actually, we were able to identify 4 methods or strategies. Among these, they include maintaining the trends very well, placing bee hives in boggy areas, planting garlic to offset the losses encountered from crop raiding, and planting tea as a buffer crop. Our project actually did a great job to sort out the problem of poaching. I want to take my great opportunity to say thank you to ASP for the support they gave me on establishing Conservation to Coexist project. The support, it helped me as an individual, and it helped the local community around Kibale National Park.
Zukuka, mama wabana ngatadamu yasimula isumulule mama wabana ngatanyika nabagambo muchala tanafako tubadde tusiba kiwani bandimba nga bampita zulu mama wabana bamuzika ndabona mwabasibe kiwani tatapu nze wano mu Kampala byansobera dda.